Let's do this.
Yep.
What's the first instructions?
Rough 100. Keep left over crest.
You watch him.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Rough 100. Keep left over crest.
What the hell was that? Hardcore.
Keep left over crest. Kinks 100. Big crest 80.
Again.
Big crest 80. Crest. Left 6 up. Tightens 1. Don't cut. 30. Right 4, crest. Into rough, right 4, up long, 50. Left 4 over crest, 100. Crest into left 3, tightens and opens. Rough down. 80. Big crest, right 630.
Yeah.
Crest and left 5 over crest. 50, down, rough.
Yep.
Left 430. Left 3 up, rough. Into right 5, 70 up, rough.
Yep.
Right 4, 40. Right 4, rough.
Oh.
100 up.
Yep.
Crest into left 4 and right 3. Ditch on outside of right 3. And left 5, tightens long. Crest. Right 5, tightens 3. 50. Over crest. Sorry, that's 50. Right 6 over crest, 40. Left 6 over crest, 80. So this is left 6 over crest, 80. Left 5, opens, then tightens, over crest. 80. Left 6 into right 3. Kick. Into right 3, 80. Right 3, rough, 40. Left 6, 80.
Repeat.
Left 6, 80. Up, very rough.
There is.
Yeah. Left 6, tightens over crest. Into caution, left 4, over crest. Tightens, rock inside. There's a rock inside, 80 out of here. Right 6, tightens long, 40. Left 6, into caution, left 4, down, water.
Repeat.
Left 6, into caution, left 4, down, water. Here's the left 4, down, water. Left 4, tightens, into right 3, long.
Yeah.
Right 3 long. Down, rough, big bump over culvert. Left 6, 40 over finish. 50, dip, crest left 4.
Okay. Yeah, a little bit of time just to kind of
Yeah,
the feel of things.
I can get my pace up too.
Yeah, just a tiny bit.
Yeah.
Come on first.